Hey everybody, Josh here, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Just got this this item in the mail today, and I wanted to give a quick review on it. This is something I'm very excited about. This is a portable fan, and it also serves as a lantern too. I'm going to be making a camping trip to Monte Sano State Park in Alabama for the Huntsville Ham Fest in the coming weeks. So I wanted to make a quick video, raw reaction to this. I'm pretty excited about it. Very, very, very reasonable on Amazon. But let's go ahead and unbox it here. Here's the front of the box, the back of the box, side. You can see the features: rechargeable battery, 4-way, 4-gear switch, 270-degree adjust, and multiple circuit protection. I got the orange model. On this side, some of these labels are hard for you to see, but it is 208 millimeters wide, 83 millimeters deep, and 260 millimeters tall. This is an F660 model, and let's check it out. So we're going to open it up here. Really excited about this. Very nervous about going camping for the first time in many, many years. So here it is. Here's the fan. And first impressions, very, very durable, sturdy build. Let me turn my camera here so I can focus a little bit. Well, it's not going to focus very well. There we go. So you can see the FCC and CE, all that stuff on the back. You see we have a USB-A port and a USB-C port. And you've got a carrying rack here. And on the front side of the fan, here's your lantern. And you've got your controls right here. So let me see if I can get the camera to focus on that a little bit. And you can see you can control how much power you want. 4 different controls. You also have a battery indicator. And you have fan control on this button. And then light control on this button. Here's one thing that really sold me on this one. On the bottom, you have a hook. So if you're tent camping, this is especially easy. So you can hang that up and then turn it right like so, however you need it in your camper. This does turn 360 degrees, so it makes it super, super easy. And yeah. I've already turned the button power on. There you can see the fans running. And that's 25%. Let me make sure I'm looking at the right sides. There's 50, 75, and 100%. And let me tell you, it feels pretty good. I can feel, you can hear a little bit of the wind there. This will do me just fine. I'm solo camping, so not going to be too terribly bad. This will definitely cool one person very easily. And then the final thing about it, we've got this light. Let me turn off my light that's in front of me here. And yeah, so there you go. Got 4 different options when it comes to the, is it 4? 3 different options when it comes to the light. Well, 4 if you count the off position. But it puts off a pretty good amount of light. Check that out. This is going to do me just fine. Guys, appreciate you watching this one. Check the link out in the description. I think you're really going to like it. I fully recommend the purchase. You can recharge it using USB-C, USB-A, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.